Hey guys, in today's video I am taking you to the at-home store to look at the fall decor. This is the first section you see when you come in, and this is called their Pastel Bounty collection. Everything is sparkly and metallic and kind of blush pink and silver. It's very pretty if you are into the glam look. I actually hauled the smaller pumpkin that I am showing you. These are velvet and sparkly. And this collection even has a gold turkey if you are looking to glam up your Thanksgiving decor. At Home is definitely into pastel decor, but I do like this girly take on the Day of the Dead decorations. The pumpkins with the eyelashes are oh so adorable. If you are a college student and you're decorating your dorm room, I don't know why I just envision these and these donut pumpkins in a dorm room or decorating a little girl's room. They're just really fun and whimsical and feminine. I love this sign that says Squad Goals. It's a play on squad goals. If you didn't know, I just thought that was so cute. And as you can see, there is so much that I can't show you everything, so I'm gonna show you what I think you want to see. And I was very smitten by this lopsided big Cinderella pumpkin, so I wanted to share that with you. This is actually a very large thankful sign, and it's a very pretty gold, and I thought the price was pretty fair on this. $12.99 is not too bad for a piece this large. Of course, I'm going to show you all the velvet pumpkins they have to offer. And I really like this kind of centerpiece. I wish the orange was a little bit more muted, and I definitely would have picked it up, but this is a very pretty piece and it is $24.99. How gorgeous is this row of pumpkins? It's so hard to choose which one is my favorite, but if I had to, I would say these kind of pearlized pumpkins are really gorgeous and unique. I don't think I've seen those before, and they would match any decor. Here are some more velvet pumpkins. I didn't really like these. I'm not quite sure why, because I picked up a orange one that's very similar to the green one at Hobby Lobby, but I left those behind. This fronter is very similar to one that I have seen at Pier 1. It's a gold and cream and champagne kind of color scheme, and there are also some placemats. I thought this "Get Your Fat Pants Ready" sign was really funny, but I think it should say "Get Your Yoga Pants Ready" because that's what I wear on Thanksgiving. And we have arrived to neutral heaven, you guys. Look at all of the gorgeousness. The neutral lover inside of me was thinking, okay, Kristen, you need to buy this all. But as I've said many times, I am going to be adding some color into my fall decor this year. So I left everything in this section, but it definitely is a sight for sore eyes. This little pumpkin reminds me of something that Dollar Tree has right now, only this one is 4 times as much. And these are very reminiscent to some Target Dollar Spot pumpkins from a couple years ago. These are obviously more expensive than those as well. And this was just so cute. I couldn't get over it. It's not actually soft to the touch, it is resin, but it's adorable and it looks cozy even though it's not. I tend to walk right on by the little animal figurines for fall, but I did want to show a little love to them in this video because they are extra cute here at home this year. And now we're going to look at some fall doormats. These are all only $9.99, which is a really good price. There are some really pretty neutral options. Actually, I think every single one that I'm showing you is pretty neutral. And actually, this is my first time seeing this one that I'm holding up right now. And I think that's definitely really cute and a huge size for $9.99. And this one was really nice as well. It wouldn't be a fall shop with me if I didn't show a red truck. So At Home has a red truck as well, you guys, and quite a few outdoor pieces. Okay, you guys, I think I died and went to heaven when I saw this huge selection of glass pumpkins. I love the ones with the curly Q stems. I have got to get my hands on one of those this year, but for whatever reason I gravitate towards glitzy glam pumpkins even though I'm not a glam girl. This one is absolutely stunning and I was smitten by this little green one. This one's unique because it's glass but it's matte, so it's very farmhouse and I love that color. That one just really kind of spoke to me too. Normally they are shiny, these glass pumpkins, the way that this gourd is, and I just can't get over their cute stems. And I'm seeing more clear glass pumpkins here at Home. I saw these at Big Lots and I think they're super chic and really cool. And you can put a candle in that one. And this is a gorgeous copper color. You guys know my copper obsession. It still thrives, so this one was definitely speaking to me too.
I sink into your love just like a song. Even if I'm miles from you, I know wherever you are, I call home.
So the At Home store does have an amazing Halloween section, as you can see here, but if I included that in this video, it would just be a never-ending video. So definitely let me know if you'd like to see a separate video on their Halloween decor. I could not leave this video without sharing this super cool tree with you guys though. I don't know if you are able to tell from the clip, but this tree is actually moving on its own. It's so creepy and so cool. And this was actually $130, but definitely a standout piece from their Halloween collection. So that is it for this video, you guys. I want to say thank you for watching. If you have any requests for where you would like to see me go next, leave it in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and I hope to see you back in my next one. Bye.